Namaste, खुश रहो बिटिया. IJVN Dr. Ashok Kumar Jain, FPD Department from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today's topic is spina bifida. DPT BPT 6th semester in pediatric subject. Spina bifida definition is a developmental congenital disorder caused by the incomplete closing of the embryonic neural tube. Some vertebrae overlying the spinal cord are not fully formed and remain unfused and open. If the opening is large enough, this allows a portion of the spinal cord to protrude through the opening in the bones. There may or may not be a fluid-filled sac surrounding the spinal cord. Incidence: spina bifida is one of the most common birth defect with an average worldwide incidence of 1 to 2 cases per 100 births, but certain populations have a significantly greater risk. Myo, Myelomeningocele is the most significant common form, and this lead to disability in most affected individuals. The condition is more likely to appear in females. The cause for this is unknown. Cause: maternal diabetes, family history, obesity, increased body temperature for fever, or external sources such as hot tube and electrical blanket may increase the change of delivery of baby with a spina bifida. Medications such as some anticonvulsant, pregnant women taking valproic acid have an increased risk of having children with spina bifida. Genetic basis: folic and acid deficiency. Embryology: spina bifida is caused by the failure of the neural tube to close during the first month of embryonic development, often before the mother knows she is pregnant. Under normal circumstances, the closure of the neural tube occurs around the 23rd rostral closure and 27th caudal closure day after fertilization. Type: spina bifida malformation fall into three categories: spina bifida occulta, spina bifida cysta with meningocele, spina bifida cysta with myelomeningocele. The most common location of the malformation is lumbar and sacral area. Spina bifida occulta. Occulta is Latin for hidden. This is the mildest form of spina bifida. In occulta, the outer part of some of the vertebra is not completely closed. The splint in the vertebra are so small that the spinal cord does not protrude. The skin at the site of the lesion may be normal, or it may have some hair growing from it. If there may be a dimple in the skin or birthmark. The incidence of spina bifida occulta is approximately 10% of the population, and most people are diagnosed incidentally from spinal X-ray. Meningocele. The least common from the spina bifida is a posterior meningocele or meningocele cyst. In this form, the vertebra develop normally, but the meninges are forced into the gap between the vertebra. Myelomeningocele. This type of spina bifida often result in the most severe complication. In individuals with myelomeningocele, the unfused portion of the spinal column allow the spinal cord to produce through an opening. The meningeal membranes that cover the spinal cord from a sac enclosing the spinal element. Spina bifida with myelocysis is the most severe from the myelomeningocele. In this type, the involved area is represented by a flattened plate-like mass of nerve tissue with no overlying membrane. The exposure of these nerve and tissue make that baby more prone to life-threatening infection such as meningitis. The protruded portion of protruded portion of spinal cord and the nerve that originate at the level of the cord are damaged or not properly developed. As a result, there is usually some degree or paralysis and loss of sensation below the level of the spinal cord defect. Clinical manifestation, physical sign, or orthopedic abnormalities like club foot, hip dislocation, bladder and bowel control problem, including incontinence, urinary tract infection, and poor renal function. Pressure sores and skin irritation, abnormal eye movement. 68% of children with spina bifida have an allergy to latex. Paralysis, scoliosis, back pain, partial or complete lack of sensation, weakness of hip, leg, or feet of a newborn. Other symptoms may include hair at the back part of the pelvis called the sacral area, dimpling of the sacral area, difficulty swallowing, which can lead to choking, hoarseness, breath holding, and problem breathing during sleep, below average intelligence. Neurological complication. Many individuals with spina bifida have an associated abnormality of the cerebellum called the Arnold-Chiari malformation. Second, in affected individuals, that back portion of the brain is displaced from the back of the skull down into the upper neck. Executive function. Specific area of difficulty in some individuals, including planning, organizing, initiation, and working memory, problem solving, abstraction, and visual planning may also be impaired. Children with spina bifida and shunted hydrocephalus have higher rated of ADHD. Social complication. Compared to typical developing children, youth with spina bifida may have fewer friends and spend less time with peers. Diagnostic evaluation. Pregnancy screening. Neural tube defect can usually be detected during the pregnancy by testing the mother blood, AFT screening, or a dilated fetal ultrasound. Increased level of maternal serum alpha fetoprotein should be followed up by two tests in ultrasound of the fetal spine and amniocentesis of the mother's amniotic fluid to test for alpha fetoprotein and acetylcholinesterase. Prevention. The dietary supplemented with folic acid has been shown to be helpful in reducing the incidence of spina bifida. Sources of folic acid include whole grain fortified breakfast, cereals, dried leaf vegetable, and fruit. It is recommended that any woman considering becoming pregnant take 0.04 mg of folic acid a day. Pregnant women need a 1 mg per day. Treatment. There is no known cure for nerve damage caused by spina bifida. The spinal cord and its nerve root are put back inside the spine and covered with meninges. In addition, a shunt may be surgical installed to provide a continuous drainage for the axis. Cerebrospinal fluid producing in the brain, as happens with hydrocephalus, shunt most commonly drain into the chest wall. Monitor growth and development of bone, muscles, and joint. Treat and evaluate nerve system issues such as seizure disorder, physical therapy, or speech therapy. Immediate care. Place the child in prone position. Cover the affected area with sterile gauze piece. Dip it in normal saline. Maintain hydration. Monitor of associate defect. Catheter, brace, high fiber diet, antibiotic may be used to treat or prevent infections such as meningitis or urinary tract infection. Difficult delivery with problem resulting from a traumatic birth, including cerebral palsy and decreasing oxygen to the brain. Frequent urinary tract infection, hydrocephalus, loss of bowel and bladder control, meningitis, permanent weakness or paralysis of leg. Thank you.